stars. What? Scrubbing says you on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New drip, new bitch, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars? Scrubbing says you on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New drip, new bitch, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars? Yeah, Scrubbing says you on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New bitch, new drip, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars?
What's up, everybody? Pulling up to the meet right now. This is actually officially my second meet with the vet. Got that thing right here. We about to pop a hood. It's low key. I feel like about to be a good one, but it's not too bad. The first meet I took the vet to, it was like mad cold out, and like not a lot of people came, but it was still some fire cars there. So we're gonna see what happens tonight.
He's like, I don't know. You guys?
Nah, it's not a lot of
Hey, you did it the other day?
You said.
Look at my shit, bro. We were doing donuts the other night. Yeah, that shit clean. Get that? Alright, I'm mad about that, bro.
Alright, everybody, so that'll be it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Scrubbing says you on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New drip, new bitch, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars? What? Scrubbing says you on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New drip, new bitch, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars?